This video is a different kind of video because I'm going to be creating the entire thing without having to edit. Well, besides cutting out my mistakes. But apart from that, everything you see happens as I'm recording it. So if I bring in a point and it makes a sound, all of that happens during the recording. When that point disappears off the screen, all of that happens without editing. Even if I switch to another camera, all of that should be done automatically. If I bring up point number 2, that should be done as I'm recording it. And if it all works together great, this entire edit should take me less than a minute. Now you're probably wondering, how in the world am I accomplishing this? Well, of course I'm using Ecamm. That means I don't have to worry about all the additional editing stuff. I can set it up once and it's good to go for all of my videos. Now, this isn't a tutorial on how to do this or anything of that sort. If you want to learn stuff like that, I highly recommend for you to hit subscribe and tap that bell notification icon. And yes, even that was done while recording. Is that awesome? So let me know your thoughts. Was this done well? Was it engaging and dynamic? And do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this experiment worked out well. I'll let you know my thoughts in the pinned comment. Peace out.